I have been procrastinating for a few months now. I think starting last year. Today is like January 2026, so probably like it's starting November, December. I don't know. I procrastinate so long and so hard that I don't even remember the day I start procrastinating. How often do you procrastinate?
Very often. I am the king of procrastination. Yeah, I do procrastinate, like especially when it comes to studying, like my school stuff. I tend to do things last minute. Not only that, a lot of things I do last minute, and that's not very good, right?
Yeah.
So I'd say on a scale of 1 to 10 of procrastination, 10 being the worst, I'm a good 7 or 6
Brah.
on procrastination.
I'm not that type of person who procrastinate. I don't procrastinate. Like I rarely do, and when I do, it's like a really really big one. So yeah, weirdly that happened to me now. So it's like 2-3 months now, and it's really hard to focus. Actually, it's like a poison for creativity. Is procrastinating. Like you can't do anything. You want to do more, but you want to do less. You want to do less, but you want to do more. It's like it plays with your mind a lot when you procrastinate. So how much for color print? Procrastination is the unnecessary delaying of certain tasks to a certain period of time. Even we know how important that task is. Sometimes we substitute that particular task with laser activities like watching social media, even eating. Now, just mind you, this is not laziness. Procrastinating is not being lazy, even though laziness play a bit of a role or a huge role in procrastinating. Now, why do we procrastinate? Number one, fear. The fear of starting something that you are not ready to complete. Like running. If we start running, we fear that we're gonna keep running till the set is over or the certain mile is complete. Studying. If we start studying, we open up the possibility of research and getting to the bottom of something that we are studying. Or planning a party. If we plan a party, we have to see it through. We fear the end result of something that we decide not to do, hence procrastinate. Why? Why do I always start recording kids? But here's the thing about like procrastinating. Like it maybe affect people differently, that they never actually complete their task or whatever that stuff is. But I think me personally, it create a perfect imbalance of sort of, like it's a I do thing or I do not do something, and it create that excitement, that adrenaline, that I have to complete something. So that's like me personally, like procrastinating helps me a lot in that manner, because it helps me work more and work less, and it's just like just the right spot. It's like the sweet spot where procrastination and my daily life of working stuff, like it put me in the sweet spot that it makes me complete a lot of stuff. Yeah. So in a certain way, it's bad if you like master procrastinator. But like to me personally, that actually like procrastinate a lot, that gives me a perfect imbalance, if you know what I mean. It's just right there that helps me accomplish stuff. So yeah, even though procrastinating is really bad, but me personally, when it comes to the artistic side of life, it gives you that urge and motivate you to do more. So I don't think it's work when comes to like normal day-to-day job or project of writing or stuff like that that you need to think. But for like just do vlogging like this or making short episode or film like this, it helps, it gives that urge. So yeah, see you on the next one.